So last and final thing, a bit about SellerApp. So we have been successfully supporting Amazon sellers in all the different phases, including their marketing, sales, operations, into a single platform. We do have functionalities and benefits all the way from launching your product up to scaling and understanding the category trends and market sizing and all of them. So it's a full platform, which the only platform, the full and only one platform which you will require for all your phases of the journey, and that's what actually makes SellerApp very unique. So again, a bit more. So we handle a lot of data. I think this slide might be slightly old. We do have more than 320 million keywords of different, actual keywords which buyers have been searching on the marketplaces. And we do track a lot of products in terms of generating various insights and understanding the behavior out there. So again, something which also differentiate ourselves is the advertising platform which we have built. It's an end-to-end platform which will help you all the way from launching the campaign to optimizing and scaling your campaigns. Again, we do have functionalities which will help you to optimize your products, manage your inventory, and a lot more.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.